Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Luzia app. You click on settings, then we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Luzia app and you will click. Then we click on force stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.